Hello everyone, welcome back to mForex and I am Ming. In the previous video, I shared you how to choose the best Forex broker, and in this video, I will help you to choose which one is the best currency pair for you to start a trade. Yeah, so when you have an account at some Forex broker, you will. I think that you will get confused because there are many things for you to trade on that broker, such as currency, commodities, energies, indices, and many things. So you will get confused because you do not know how and when. You do not know how and which one you need to start a trade. Yeah, may I start with a currency pair? May I start a trade with something like gold or platinum or silver? Yeah, many things you will get confused, and that's why I make this video for you to better understanding about this. So basically, the exchange rate of the euro currency pair to the US dollar is currently at 1.3500. So I have 1 euro and I will get 1.35 US dollar. And another example, the exchange rate of the exchange rate of the Japanese yen currency pair to the US dollar is 105. So if I have 1 US dollar, I will get 105. So in conclusion, the euros versus the US dollar is the one currency pair, and the US dollar against the Japanese yen is another currency pair. The next thing I want you to know is in Forex market, we have the term of major currency pair, which is every currency have US dollars in that pair. You can see here, the US dollar can stand in front or can stand in the back like this. As a new trader here, I think that you should start your trade with the major currency pair because they have very low spread, and I think that they are very easy to trade because the volatility is not too much and you can easily predict the way of its movement. And besides the major currency pair, we have the cross currency pair, which is the other pair which do not have US dollar in that pair. We can see here we have so many things like euro, Japanese yen, GBP, Canadian dollar, US, Australian dollar, and New Zealand dollar. Many pair besides the major currency pair. So again, for the new trader, I have an advice for you. That you should not start your trade with this cross currency pair. You should start your trade with the major currency pair. And the last pair you need to know is an exotic pair. We have some new economic market here, like the Hong Kong dollar, the Singapore dollar, the Danish krone, the Turkish lira, and so on. This is, I think, the most difficult pair for you to start a trade because it has a very high spread, and the way of its movement is not easy to predict. So you should forget all about this pair. And again, I will summarize for you some pair you should start with. First of all is the euro against US dollar. And the second one is the USD against the Japanese yen, the GBP against the USD, and the Australian dollar against the US dollar. So if you follow my advice, you will see that trading here is not too much difficult. When I was a new trader, I get confused by many pairs. So I start my trade with commodity like gold and some commodity like cotton and coffee, and sometimes I trade the index like US 30 and Nasdaq and many things I do not remember exactly. But it was very difficult for me to get a profit. But when I realized that I need to start my trade with the major currency pair, everything get more easier for me to have a profit. So this is my advice for you. The last one in this video is something called the nickname for the currency pair. So for the Euro against USD, we have the nickname of Fiber. USD and Japanese yen, we have the Golfer and Cable, Swissy, Luni, Aussie, and Kiwi. So this is the slang for the currency pairs. I have a table here in the screen, and you can see it on here. It is not something too much important. Okay, that is everything I want to share with you in this video. I hope that after this video you can choose the most suitable currency pair for you to start a trade with. And thank you for taking your time watching my video, and see you in the next one. Thank you.